Welcome to the foot of Ancastro. This is one of the first Munros that I ever did as Munro Bagpiper. I think it was my 4th or 5th, but I've actually done, because I've done it before, I'm going to skip it today. And we're going round the outside of it to Bagpipes, which I couldn't actually finish the time that I was doing it, mainly because I was new to Munro bagging and it was a bit snowy. So I've come back to finish it off 5 years later. So we'll see how it goes. The sun's out. It's my first time out in the Munros since I did my 100th 5-6 months ago. So it could be fun. I'll let you into a secret, guys. The Munros are absolutely spectacular up on the ridges. It's beautiful, the views, but below that, the dreaded bog makes it all the worthwhile when you get to the top. Well, that's the bog, safely negotiated. It's a genuine worry when you're my height. So the standard way of normally doing this Munro is going up Ancastro and then just joining on from the ridge over to Bagpipes, but I decided to come up the glen today and I thought it would be a bit of a slog, a bit boring, but just surrounded by stunning mountains. There's a few waterfalls over there. I'm absolutely loving it. I don't actually want to go up on the ridge just now, just wanting to enjoy it. Just shows you, you can never be sure what you're getting here. I can't believe I've held off this Munro for so long. This will actually complete all the Crean Larrick Munros. There's 7 Munros in this range, which some mad people do all in one go. A bit crazy, but I did the other ones years ago and I've held off on this one for some reason, I don't know why. So I'm doing it today and hopefully I'll get to the top, but I might just stay here and have a picnic. So that's it, guys. Bagpipes is finally in the bag. Look at the views behind me here and I hope you enjoyed all the views on the way up. At least I think this is the summit of Bagpipes. There's 2 summits here. You can see one just behind me. It looks very similar in height. There's 2 metres difference. According to the map, from what I can see, this one is 2 metres higher. So I'm going with this one being the actual summit. But I may be 2 metres out, so I'll come back if that is the case. I'm sure there's some keen hill climbers that will point that out to me in the comments. But I am aware that I may have made a mistake. But look at all the hills. I've got all Ben Moor there, Ben Tulican, Crooked Drain, Sabinian, played the pipes on all these hills now. And you're looking up over to Ben Nevis, Fort William Hills. You can see for miles here in Scotland, absolute miles. And what a day it's been. I'm so glad it came up. I only left Glasgow at 12 o'clock, so it's been a late start. And I'm finally, after 5 months, on 101 Munros. So that's taken a while. Hopefully there'll be a few more this year all over Scotland, and I hope you come along for the ride. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. please, if you've not already, just like my page, subscribe to my YouTube, all the fun and games, all that usual nonsense, but just keep in touch, and I'll try and get back in touch with you as we go along, okay? So until the next time, guys, all the best.